This video is made only for educational purposes. No stock ETF should be bought without advice from your investment advisor. Best stocks to invest under 20 rupees in 2022. Indian Overseas Bank Ltd. Indian Overseas Bank is a government-owned bank with 3,400 branches across India and 6 foreign branches and a representative office. It was founded on 10th February 1937. S Bank Ltd. S Bank was founded in 2004 by Rana Kapoor and Ashok Kapoor. It is headquartered in Mumbai. In March 2020, SBI invested 7,250 crore in the bank amid a financial crisis. SBI now holds around 30% stake in the company. Vodafone Idea Ltd. Vodafone Idea is one of the main private players in the telecom sector of India. The Vodafone Group currently holds a 45.1% stake in V and Aditya Birla Group holds a 26% stake. UCO Bank Ltd. The third bank in our list of top stocks under 20 rupees. UCO Bank, formerly known as a United Commercial Bank, was established in 1943. It was founded by Z.D. Birla and is now under the ownership of the Ministry of Finance, Government of India. Bank of Maharashtra Ltd. Bank of Maharashtra, owned by the Government of India, has 1900 branches across the country. It was founded 86 years ago by V.G. Kale and D.K. Satri. Punjab and Sindh Bank Ltd. Punjab and Sindh Bank has 1526 branches across India, out of which 635 branches are in Punjab. The bank was established on 24th June 1908 by Bhai Veer Singh, Sir Sundar Singh Majita and Sardar Tarlochan Singh. Suzlon Energy Ltd. Suzlon Energy is a wind turbine manufacturer based in Pune, India. It was founded 26 years ago by Tulsi Tanti. The company has installed over 17,000 megawatts of wind power capacity in 18 countries. Reliance Power Ltd. Reliance Power is an electric power and natural gas company of the Reliance Anil Dhirubhai Ambani Group. Its current CEO is K. Rajagopal. It was founded on 17th January 1995 by Dhirubhai Ambani. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank Ltd. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank commenced its operations in 2017 with its headquarters in Bangalore. Ujjivan Financial Services holds an 80% stake in the Small Finance Bank. Dish TV India Ltd. Dish TV is a direct broadcast satellite service provider in India. It was launched by the Z Group on 2nd October 2003. Please subscribe our channel, give a like, leave a comment, share